Hey there, travel enthusiasts! Ready to embark on a journey where your wallet stays happy and your travel dreams come true? Ever scored a hotel room for a steal? That feeling? Pure magic. It's like winning the travel lottery. Like finding a $20 bill in your pocket, but better. Imagine the joy of discovering hidden treasures in your own luggage. We're talking comfy beds, fancy lobbies, maybe even a pool, all without breaking the bank. Picture yourself lounging in luxury without the hefty price tag, and trust me, the thrill of the hunt is half the fun. Scouring the internet for those unbeatable deals can be an adventure in itself. So, you want to be a hotel hacking hero? Get ready for some insider tips. We're about to turn you into a savvy traveler who knows all the tricks. We're diving into the world of travel hacks, where deals are plentiful and adventure awaits. Imagine exploring new cities with more money in your pocket. Buckle up because we're about to unlock some serious savings. Get ready to travel smarter, not harder, and make every trip unforgettable. First things first, let's talk websites. These digital platforms are the gateway to your next adventure. They're your new best friends in the world of travel planning. Think of them as your trusty sidekicks, always ready to sniff out the best deals and make your travel dreams come true. Sites like Kayak, Expedia, and Priceline are invaluable. They compare prices across tons of hotels, flights, and car rentals. Just plug in your dates and destination, and bam, options galore. You'll see a plethora of choices tailored to your needs. And don't forget about apps. They're like having a personal travel agent in your pocket, available 24/7. Hotel Tonight is perfect for last-minute bookings, offering great deals on unsold rooms, while Hopper helps you predict the best time to book flights, saving you money. Download a few, play around, and see which one becomes your go-to deal finder. With these tools, you're always just a few clicks away from your next great adventure. Now, let's talk timing. Being flexible with your travel dates is like having a secret weapon. Traveling during the off-season or shoulder season, the sweet spot between peak and off-peak, often means lower prices. Weekdays are your friend too. Hotels often offer discounts then, and remember, spontaneity can pay off. If you're down for an adventure, last-minute deals can be a goldmine. Just be prepared to be flexible with your destination and hotel choice. Sometimes the best trips are the unplanned ones. Loyalty love, reap the rewards. Here's a secret, loyalty programs are awesome. Sign up for free with your favorite hotel chains. You'll rack up points, earn free nights, and get access to exclusive deals. It's like getting rewarded for sleeping in a comfy bed. Plus, many programs offer perks like free Wi-Fi, late checkout, and room upgrades. Who doesn't love a free upgrade? It's like winning a mini lottery every time you travel. So, sign up, earn those points, and enjoy the perks. The great booking debate: early bird or last-minute swoop. The age-old question: book in advance or wait for a last-minute deal. Well, it depends. For popular destinations and peak seasons, booking early is key. It guarantees you a room and often snags you a better price. But if you're feeling spontaneous, last-minute bookings can be a gamble that pays off big time. Just be prepared for limited options and potential price hikes. It's all about weighing the risks and rewards. Hidden fee finders. Don't let the small print win. In today's world of travel, hidden fees can be a real nightmare. They lurk in the shadows, waiting to pounce on unsuspecting travelers. But don't worry, we're here to help you navigate through the maze of fine print. Okay, we're almost there, folks. The excitement of planning a trip can sometimes make us overlook the details, but it's those details that can make or break your travel budget. Last but not least, let's talk hidden fees. Those pesky resort fees, parking charges, and Wi-Fi fees can sneak up on you like a ninja. They can turn a seemingly great deal into a costly affair, but fear not. There are ways to outsmart these hidden charges. Always read the fine print before you hit that book now button. It's your first line of defense. Take your time to go through the terms and conditions. Look for any mention of additional fees. It's better to spend a few extra minutes now than to be surprised later. Check the hotel's website or call them directly to ask about any additional charges. Knowledge is power, people. Don't hesitate to ask questions. The more you know, the better prepared you'll be. Don't let those sneaky fees ruin your budget. A little bit of diligence can go a long way in ensuring a smooth and enjoyable trip. So there you have it, folks. Your crash course in unlocking cheap hotel deals. Remember, the key to a great travel experience is being informed and prepared. Your crash course in unlocking cheap hotel deals. Now that you're armed with this knowledge, you can confidently book your next stay without fear of hidden fees. Now go forth, explore the world, and make the most of your adventures. The world is full of amazing places waiting to be discovered. And rest easy knowing you scored an awesome deal on your home away from home. Happy travels, enjoy every moment of your journey knowing you've outsmarted those hidden fees.